Hi folks, welcome back to my channel. In just a few seconds we're going to take a look at a new video on the Norelco electric shaver. I just want to thank you all for coming by. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks and enjoy. Okay folks, so here we have the razor, electric razor. It's cordless, by the way. It's model S, like Sam 5940. So you can see right here, it's a Philips Norelco S5940. It's from the 5000 series. So they make a few models in the 5000 series. This one, I believe, was specially made for certain retailers. I got this one at Costco, and it price is about between $70 and $100. So it's not a bottom line electric cordless razor. It's like a midline. It's not the bottom, but it's a midline. And because it comes from that retailer, S5940 being the model number, it has some extra in the box bonuses, like an extra set of heads, and the heads last, what they tell me, is a year. And I've been using this razor actually for just about a year, and it still hadn't had to replace the heads yet. So there's a cost savings with that, as opposed to buying razors and shaving, manually with a hand razor. The electric razor blades last a lot longer. This is a trimmer that it comes with, an accessory. This is the power cord. This is the hand unit. It has another feature, Turbo Plus, that gives you 20% more power. It's nice looking. It's got chrome embellishments on it. It feels good in your hand. It's very lightweight. And this is the 3-blade head unit, 3 floating heads using precision Philips Norelco blades. And I'll show you how that goes on. Okay, let's go over some of the features. And some of those features are, of course, again with the head unit, Norelco Philips Precision Multi-Protection head system. And we also have, that's a skin protection system. It's Aquatech wet or dry, so you could use it dry shave, or you could use it with shaving cream or water, or in the shower. Because it's cordless, you could use it any way you want, wet or dry. The turbo mode gives you 20% more power. Let's take a look at the inside of this blade system, and let's snap it on just like that, and we'll give it power. 3 level bar means it's fully charged. Turbo power on. Very quiet, very smooth, very lightweight. And turbo off, and power off. And there's your multifunction display. Tells you when the battery's fully charged, how much you got left. Tells you even to wash it when you're done. One touch open, just like that. You can wash it under this running water in your sink after you're done. It'll actually, on here, it'll tell you to do that. It's fully washable. It uses a lithium-ion battery, so it gives you about 60 minutes or 20 shaves. I don't think it's going to give you 20 shaves, but it gives me between 6 and 8 shaves. But I don't shave every day, so I use the unit longer. It'll charge in 1 hour for a full charge, or it could give you a quick charge in as little as 5 minutes. The heads move in 5 different directions. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's very comfortable, and it gives, believe it or not, it gives a very close shave. This is the trimmer. That's the only exception to the unit, where you have to take this off, and then you snap this on for trimming. And we'll turn it on. And there's the trimmer. That's for your sideburns, mustaches. And then it just pops off. And all this stuff is completely washable. I also wanted to mention that the Norelco Phillips blade system uses the, they've been making it for a long time, the exclusive cut and lift system. So it actually cuts, then it's got two parts to the blade, and then it lifts your whisker, and then it cuts again. So it's like a two-part cutting action. They've been making it for years that way. Multi-precision blade system, which raises and cuts the hair for any remaining stubble, all just in a few strokes. I like this razor. It gives a great shave. I like to use it. It's actually fun to use. And incidentally, it comes with this Phillips case, zippered case to put it in. And check it out. It's a great razor. Thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to click like, subscribe. Let me know if you get it and if you use it, how you liked it. And we'll see you again real soon on another excellent video.